A closer look 1. 1. Listen and repeat the words in the box.
Unit 6. Our Tet Holiday.
Page 58. Getting started. Activity 1. Listen and read.
Welcome back to Around the World in 30 Minutes. Thanks again, Sananta, for telling us about New Year celebrations in Thailand. Next, we have Phong from Vietnam. Hi, Phong.
Hi.
Your New Year is called Tet, isn't it?
That's right.
The Vietnamese celebrate Tet at different times each year, don't they?
Yes. This year we will celebrate Tet at the end of January.
What should people do to celebrate Tet?
A lot. It's the busiest time of the year.
What, for example?
You should make your house look beautiful at Tet, so you should clean and decorate it. You should also buy flowers and plants, but you shouldn't buy fireworks.
Do you travel during Tet?
Not often. Tet is a time for family gatherings.
Yes, and do you eat a lot?
Yes. Eating great food is the best thing about Tet. Oh, and getting lucky money.
Great. Thank you, Phong. Coming up, we have Yumiko from Japan.
Five. Listen and repeat the words.
Unit 6. Page 60. A closer look 1. Activity 5. Listen and repeat the words.
Celebrate. School. Special. She. Shopping. Spring. Blossoms. Should. Summer. Wish. Rice. Rubbish.
Which words have the sound sh and which words have the sound s? Listen again and write them in the appropriate columns.
6. Listen to the sentences and tick which has sh and which has s.
Unit 6, page 61. A closer look 1. Activity 6. Listen to the sentences and tick which has sh and which has s.
1. We come home every summer. 2. We should leave early. 3. I will make a wish. 4. I'm second in my class. 5. My mother goes shopping every day. 6. This is a small garden. 7. Spring is coming.
7. Listen and practice reading the short poem. Pay attention to the sounds and s/.
Unit 6, page 61. A closer look 1. Activity 7. Listen and practice reading the short poem. Pay attention to the sounds sh and s.
Spring is coming. Tet is coming. She sells peach blossoms. Her cheeks shine. Her eyes smile. Her smile is shy. She sells peach blossoms.